viewers, and I have my new vacuum I just unboxed tonight. It's late at night. And I tested out the noise. It's pretty noisy here. That's how noisy it is. And it scares my cat from here. It's a lot noisier than this other upright vacuum I have. This is like a portable small vacuum. Don't know how it gets louder than that thing. But I'm going to be cleaning up all this mess on my floor with this. And I'm going to show you what's on carpet. Just so you can hear it, like, nah, when it's on carpet. Now, I'm going to have my grandma see if the beater bar is on, like, is it running? So if it's running when it's in upright position, that is a single motor vacuum. But if it's not running in upright position, that's a twin motor. So was this running? Was the beater bar running on this?
Do it again.
Did you see it? Okay. So you're going to have to be watching the beater bar. Okay, so I've seen it, and this is a single motor vacuum. It's eventually a fan and a belt motor, and at the same thing, because it's always running in the upright position. I can smell the new vacuum air, like when I got the Hoover Air. Yeah, I've done quite a few tests with this, and I'm gonna do a test with this. So let's get started before I get too wandered off and get 10 minutes. So let's get started. So that worked pretty well, even though there's something stuck in the beater bar. I heard something flying around in there. What is that? I think it picked up like a paper clip. I'm wondering. I'm getting turned off. If you unplug the unit, it's unplugged, and I'm gonna try to get whatever's in here out. Tie wrap. I didn't see that hidden in my carpet. Well, that worked pretty well. There. Got up all that, and that got up some fine dust. Now, if you're wondering what fine dust is, it's like dust that just like really ground up into the carpet. Look, I found a little screen filter down in there. There's where the suction comes from this unit. Very small hole. And when suction comes from a very small hole, that means it does better, because the smaller the hole, the better the suction. So, let me check the time. Okay, we have enough time to show off the tools, which are on board. So first I'll do this dusting brush. This is very sturdy. And the vacuum cleaner isn't plugged in, so I know I'm not going to be stupid. So this has a good hose. Just the vacuum likes to lean. Likes to lean over. But what they did with this vacuum, because it's only a single motor vacuum, they had it where the brush roll can only touch the ground. when it's like this. But when it's in upright position, the brush roll is up higher, and my cat's sleeping to the noise of the vacuum because it's white noise. And let's start with this brush, which is kind of tilted in. It doesn't have a click; it's just a slide. Just slide it in, and dusting brush. It doesn't make it. He's scared. Scared. So let me plug this in, turn it on, and get going on this. Test. Keep going before I get wandered off and into the time limit about 10 minutes. So before I turn this on, you check the time one more time. 5 minutes. So we've only been talking for a minute, and let's get started with this dusting brush. That's the fan. Have some good suction. That was looking into this. So just store that back on board. Next, crevice tool. So I don't know where there are any like big crevices, but this would work good on the side of my wall. That doesn't wet a lot. So let me bring the machine cleaner over there. And this is doing exceptionally well. Okay, so I'm going to do it over here, and then I'm going to talk about how good it did. So I'm going to turn it on. So I just picked up a little bit from that spot. I don't hear anything in the hose. So that worked pretty good. I can hear it grooming the carpet. This has much more grooming noise than my other vacuum, but like it still. Go unplug it before I accidentally hit the on button, which I never do usually, but after I got my Kirby, I've always been super aware of my vacuum cleaners because it says do not plug in the vacuum cleaner when it's on. I've always been aware of vacuum cleaners. After that, after I've seen that video, so it kind of freaked me out. Now I take good care, and I'm gonna have to buy that thing on eBay. I have an eBay account and YouTube. It's awesome, isn't it? And all you need is a Google account. Addresses almost everything you need. Yeah, all you need is a Google Docs account, and then you have everything. Every single little thing. But this cleaner works well. I'd recommend it for small homes, like my room. It would work good in my room. Small cleaner. It could fit in my closet over there, or my messy vacuum area over there. Yeah, this is the Bissell thing, and you go empty it out. My fan's tipped over somehow. What's the other way? No, it's little sleepy boy. My grandma has a Bissell vacuum cleaner too, don't you, Pato?
Yes.
She has it at her old house. That one is eventually like this giant. A giant one of this. Like take this and turn it into a giant one of this. Like turn one of these into about the size of this.
It's almost time.
Okay, so we're gonna leave it out here. So 5 viewers. Bye.